Manufacturing isn't one size fits all. If you build products to order, whether it's engineer to order, make to order, or highly configured assemblies, your processes are constantly shifting. New specifications, design revisions, unique materials, changing timelines. That's why a customizable ERP isn't a luxury for custom manufacturers, it's a requirement. So what exactly is a custom ERP in manufacturing environment? It's an enterprise system designed to adapt to the way you work, not the other way around. Instead of forcing your operations into rigid templates, a customizable ERP supports flexible bill of materials, dynamic production overflows, and order-specific routing. Every job can follow its own logic because in custom manufacturing, no two jobs are exactly alike. And why does this matter? Because spreadsheets, disconnected tools, and manual updates can't keep up with production that changes daily. When engineering updates a specification, purchasing needs to know. When materials are delayed, production planning must adjust. When a customer requests a modification mid-process, costing and scheduling are affected instantly. A customizable ERP connects all of it in real time. It helps you capture detailed product requirements accurately, manage multi-level bills of materials and revisions, plan production based on actual capacity and material availability, track costs by job, project, or order, reduce manual errors and duplicated data entry. Another common question, what makes an ERP truly customizable? Well, first, configurable workflows. You should be able to define approvals, routing, and process steps that match your production model. Second, flexible data structures. Custom fields, forms, and reports allow you to track what matters to your business. And third, low-cost or no-code tools. Your team shouldn't need developers every time you want to adjust a screen or automate a process. Business users should have the ability to adapt the system as operations evolve. And manufacturers also ask, can a customizable ERP scale? Yes, and that's one of its biggest advantages. As you grow, expand product lines, or enter new markets, the system grows with you. You can add modules, integrate new technologies, and support more complex workflows without replacing your ERP. And what about deployment? Modern customizable ERP systems can be deployed in the cloud, on-premise, or in a hybrid model, depending on your security, compliance, and IT strategy. At the end of the day, custom manufacturing is built on flexibility. Your ERP should reflect that. A customizable ERP gives you control over processes, visibility across operations, and the confidence to manage complexity without slowing down.